Visit now, our website marink.com for more fantastic information.
Aubrey Organics, Green Tea Shampoo, Deep Cleanses and Boosts Shine, 11 fluid ounces, 325 milliliters. Product Overview Description: Matcha Green Tea and Ginseng Clean Hydration Mandarin Splash Oily Hair contains 75% organic ingredients crafted nature since 1967. Sulfate-Free, Paraben-Free, Gluten-Free, Phthalate-Free, Cruelty-Free, Vegan. Deep cleanses with one application and rinses clean to leave hair shiny, bouncy and full. Especially formulated for oily scalp. Heavenly Mandarin Splash Scent. Features: Benefits: Organic matcha green tea, ginseng extract fast nutrient delivery, protect hair and tone scalp. Sweet almond protein strengthens hair fiber, adds fullness and manageability. Suggested use: shake well before using. Apply to wet hair, lather and rinse. Follow with green tea conditioner. Other ingredients: aloe barbadensis leaf juice, alcohol denat, 38B, lavender, sodium cocoyl isethionate, glycerin, sodium cocoamphoacetate, from coconut oil, sodium methyl taurate, leuconostoc, radish root ferment filtrate, camellia sinensis extract, matcha green tea, panax ginseng root extract, hydrolyzed sweet almond protein, Phrenos amygdalus dulcis, sweet almond, oil, Orchidalica, nettle, leaf, equisetum mall, horsetail, extract, Spirea, meadowsweet, extract, Arctium lapa, burdock, root extract, Pinus strobus, white pine, bark extract, Fucus vesiculosus, bladder wrack, bark extract, Avena sativa, oat, straw extract, Saponaria officinalis, soapwort, extract, Salvia officinalis, sage, leaf extract, citrus medicalyminum, lemon, betel oil, hydrolyzed rice protein, tocopherol, vitamin E, citrus grandis, grapefruit, seed extract, ascorbic acid, vitamin C, citric acid, glyceryl caprolate, from vegetable oils, glyceryl undecylonate, from vegetable oils, guar hydroxypropyltrimonium chloride, xanthan gum, sodium phytate, natural fragrance. Certified organic. Sourced from essential oils, isolates and other national ingredients. Disclaimer: while iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.